Allow me to show you something.
Old friends are turning to strangers. Ex-lovers mad that I'm famous. They see the picture I painted. I've been going through changes. I pray to God and I hate it. Nobody gives me no favors. I'm sorry if you can't take it. I've been going through changes.
Welcome people, it's your girl Christy and I'm back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I will be doing a quick review and demo of the Revlon blow dryer. And I'm super duper excited about this product. Fingers crossed that it works out well for my hair. You know what I'm saying? But thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can join the K-Stylers, because you don't know over here we be styling and wilding. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you guys. You are a real one. So I'm super excited about this product because lately I've been blow drying my hair more, and I've had this one little got to be glued pink blow dryer that it works, but it's not the best. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to do more blowout styles, silk press on my own hair, because when I be saying I'm going to the salon to get a silk press, they be like, Kristen, why are you going to the salon? Like, don't you do your own hair? And I'm like, yeah, but I don't have the right tools to, like, you know, do the blowout and all that good stuff. So I picked up the Revlon One Step. Why am I reading like that? I picked up the Revlon One Step hair dryer and volumizer. This is what she came in. This has been going around for about like 2 years now, and I'm just getting my hands on it because I never blow dried my hair. Like, me being natural, 2021 was the first year I actually applied heat to my hair and did my first, like, you know, silk press and stuff like that. So now I'm trying to do it a little bit more, so hence why I decided to pick up the Revlon One Step Volumizer, Power of a Dryer, Volume of a Styler. This is what it looks like. This is what the box looks like. It is award-winning. It is a fan favorite. So we're about to see if it works on my kinky type 4 natural hair. And it has a professional swivel cord, multiple heat settings, tangle-free combination bristle. It allows airflow, or at least the vents allow airflow, and it has a tufted bristle with bore technology. So we're gonna see how it works with my hair. Let's see how straight it can get it, how detangle free it can get it, and let's see if it can also cut down my drying time. So this is what the product pretty much looks like against my head. It's pretty big. I didn't expect it to be as big as it is. It's not as heavy, but it's not as lightweight either. It has a little bit of weight to it. After a while of holding it, your hand might get tired if you're one who has, like, you know, weaker hands. But this is pretty much what she looks like, guys. So we are getting a little up close and personal right now. My hair is freshly washed. This is what my hair looks like, and I am going to separate it into like 4 sections, and I'm gonna use these little claw clips right here. So right down the middle. Honestly, I can just do this big one or this side into like, then I'm gonna split this in half and put this up. So you're gonna be out here looking crazy. My hair is honestly, I want to say like maybe 50%, 60% dry, because the roots are wet and some of like my hair is wet, but for the most part, like the top was fairly dry. It was air drying because I had to like finish cooking. But we're gonna see how bone straight and everything it can get my hair. Today I'm gonna be trying a new product as well. It is the Protecting Silk Blowout Quick Drying Thermal Spray. This is what she looks like. So, you know, of course we need heat protectant. So we're gonna just spray some. I'm gonna take that little section right here to see how it does the first part of my hair. I'm gonna go in with my little detangle brush. I'm gonna brush her out. And what I also like about this too, it's different than a regular blow dryer because you don't necessarily have to have the blow dryer and a comb while you blow it out, you know what I mean? It's a brush and a blow dryer, so you can just use this one product and it will brush your hair out, detangle it while drying and, you know, stretching your hair. So we're gonna plug her in and see how well she works. Oh, it also has a swivel cord, which is really good, so you're not gonna be getting all tangled up. On the bottom right here, it has off, cool, low, and high, so you pretty much just twist it to turn it on and off, which is pretty cool. You don't have any button kind of like interrupting you when you're holding it and doing your thing. So without further ado, let's jump into this. I want to say I want to start on low, but I'm just going to start on high just to see how hot it really gets and what it can do to my hair. Just so you guys know, this is what the before looks like. Let me show you guys real quick. And then I'm going to blow her out so you can see the after. In real time, oh my gosh, it has gotten my roots so straight, bro. Like, look at that. My root is so straight, bro. Oh my gosh. This is how straight it has gotten my hair. Okay, not bad, but it's still the first, you know what I'm saying? It does get pretty hot because when I was going down, you know, brushing it out and stuff, like when I got to like my neck, the heat, I could feel the heat. So it is pretty hot, but I don't want to say it's like too hot. I'm just gonna have to feel it out as I continue doing my whole entire hair. So yeah, but this is pretty much what it is given. I am doing the sections pretty small because I want to get my hair as straight as possible and not have much like frizz or like a really puffy blowout, if that makes any sense. So fingers crossed, we'll see. Like look at the shrinkage, bro. Look at the shrinkage, bro. So this is what my hair is looking like. Pretty straight for the most part, and I love that I can actually run my fingers through my hair. I'm not getting any tangles, nothing is snagging. It's smooth, look at that. And my hair is very thick, so the fact that it's like not really getting snagged. It's really good. Granted, I do need to like clip my ends, so when I do go like this for some parts, it does get snagged at like the really like the tip, but that's because yeah, I need to trim my ends. But other than that, like look at that. So this is what it looks like, and honestly, for the most part, it is pretty good. Like the top part of my hair is pretty flat for the most part. Like my roots, they're pretty straight, and I'm not getting any form of like tangles when I run my hand through it. Like this is really nice. And I'm gonna just insert a picture of what my hair normally looks like when I blow dry it with my regular little blow dryer. And it is usually way more voluminous, okay? It is really poofy, and the roots, at least within like the middle part of my hair, my roots never get as flat as how it is now. So that part of it, it's really good. On the high setting, it does get pretty hot, and you will definitely feel it when you're doing your hair because you're doing it on your entire head for like, you know, a period of time. But also what I love about this is that, you know, when you're using a regular blow dryer and you like will blow somewhere other than your hair, it will blow like everything everywhere. This does not do that, which I super duper love. And honestly, while using it, it didn't become as heavy as I thought it would have. I don't know if it was because I kept putting it down because I had to take like different sections of my hair. I got it for probably about $35. I'll leave the correct price below in case I'm wrong, and I'll also leave the link in which I bought it because I did get this off Amazon, and I will say I'm impressed. I love it. It gets the job done. If I want to do like a quick blowout style, I can do that with this product, and I super duper love it. I usually don't get like blown outs, at least on myself, this straight, but I'm loving it. This could definitely be a vibe. Like I could definitely wear this to sleek it a little bit, do some edges, you know what I'm saying? And this could be like a little vibe. Watch me come through with like the blowout looks, okay? But yeah, so this is a really good product. It's affordable. It gets the job done for the price, and it really does like blow out my kinky hair. We love a 360 spin for you guys so you guys can see the full little blowoutness of it. So yeah, my hair gets pretty puffy, but it's actually not as puffy as it usually is. So I'm super happy about it. I definitely think if you're one who does blowouts and you want to move really quickly, this is definitely the one for you. I know they have a lot out there, so just find the one that you feel like it's best for you. But that is pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big fat thick thumbs up so I know you like my video and so YouTube knows you like my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to let life surprise you because it will anyways. It's your girl Chrissy, and I am signing out.